welcome to the Jack of All Trades TV. December 2 mga kaibigan, pumunta kami ng London para mag-attend ng tournament, basketball tournament na hosted by RG Kong, kaibigan natin na taga Surigao. So kailangan naming pumunta ng Hamilton para i-surprise namin si Filipino, isa sa mga kaibigan namin dito sa Canada. At saka ito yung nangyari, isi-share namin sa inyo. Enjoy lang kayo, here we go! How's your basket?
Really good, actually.
Nice.
I can shoot the 3-point.
Ako, dito na sa basement.
Chico, say hi.
Pakuha. Andito sa basement.
Surprise! Chico, laki-laki mo!
Wow, ang surprise! Wala lang, wala ko nag-eyeglasses. Kamunin yung gawas kanina.
Hindi ka na pinakit.
Wala, hindi klaro.
Claro, pero nihunong ya ka, nihunong ka.
Wala, wala na ko
Ya, sinugwen ko si Pilit. Dito na.
Sabi ko kilala niya na yung plate numbers ko. Sige lang, yan to ano lang.
Wow, thank you. Wow, surprise. Okay.
Wish!
Wow, December 10 pa.
Wish, bay! Wish!
Okay, wish is...
Aling nagka-happy, darling!
Happy for the family and to everyone. Thank you for a great friends. Sus, nang load ba ako ni mo mag-ipon sa basketball? Ay, parte sa plano. Kami sa plano. 1, 2, 3.
Wala bang kiss? Wala bang kiss? Wala bang kiss? Kiss muna! Kiss muna! Kiss muna! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Philip! Kasya ba? Kasya ba? Babe. Whoa! Bay, ang quality bay? 7. Walay pangalan.
Favoritism na. Ano? Hindi mo na maayo na yung nanay. Kasi may kasture mo na. Harap-harap ka naman yun.
Kana.
Ibalik kayo, Eric? Ha?
Kana. Kana rako kung ang air compressor.
Sige,
Okay bay? Okay bay?
Okay. So, that's it, bay.
Bay, high quality kayo bay.
Guwapo ba yun? Cebu na yun,
Dili, Manila, Pampanga.
Guwapo?
Order pa.
Drop tight. Welcome to the team. Alam gawa.
Garden! Woo! Garden!
So, happy birthday, Philip.
Happy birthday to our love life!
Happy birthday.
Woohoo! Garden!
Wow, sana all.
Hoping you see what you love means to me. Open up.
Birthday na yun.
Ano?
The sun goes down and the band
Lakers.
won't play. I'll always remember us this way. Hours in the night, always trying to rise. Remember us
Hindi
this
live na
way.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Street lights,
Minute kay Doy, basta makaviagra o gano'n Doy, ecstasy Doy ba? Labi kayo mong sayo Doy. Nagka-robust pa, robust. Naka-robust na gini Brad.
Dito nagtatapos ang show natin. And huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa Jackal TV or Jack of All Trades TV. Hanggang sa susunod, thank you mga kaibigan. Sheesh.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel